Look at you.
Okay, get it all out of your system. Take your pictures. So this is Wednesday. Wednesday is a kinkajou. And kinkajous are native to Central and South America. They are exclusively arboreal creatures, which means they live in trees. This is a prehensile tail. They are considered carnivores because they do have a mouthful of tiger teeth. There you go.
That's banana.
Despite the fact that their primary diet is fruit.
He eats upside down.
This is a behavior that this kinkajou has picked up from that one. She didn't used to do that. Now, we love kinkajous here in the wild. Emphasis on in the wild. Okay. Did you know that in rainforests, the primary pollinators there are not insects? It's actually mammals. And the kinkajou is a pollinator. Wednesday has in that little devil mouth of hers a very, very long tongue. She's not going to stick it out, but, and they'll stick their whole little face down in a flower and extract nectar. In fact, their nickname is the honey bear. And when they do that, they come out and they're covered in pollen, and when they eat some more, did you see how long that tongue is? Wednesday's a little girl.
Oh my gosh, she is adorable.
Okay, the closest living relative to kinkajou, believe it or not, is a raccoon.
Huh, really?
They're really quite distinct in the animal kingdom. They were first classified as monkeys, largely because of their behavior and that tail. However, it's very quickly realized that genetically they were quite distinct. They're related to raccoons based on the fact that they have the raccoon paw. It's very human-like. It's not grasping, but it's not far from it. Now, so they are incredibly important in the rainforest in Central and South America. In fact, one of the trees that they pollinate is a tree which helps the forest regrow after it's been clear-cut. Now, again, we have the problem of designer pet. It's perhaps even more obvious why when you meet a kinkajou. Look at this thing. He's cute.
He is adorable.
We call them Satan's teddy bears.
Oh.
They were a part of our original breeding program because of their incredible benefit in pollination and also seed dispersal in the rainforest. Just to put it into some perspective for you, the first two kinkajous we got, we named them Elvira and Dracula. The founder of this place's daughter has a wonderful story of Elvira and Dracula were very prolific, and they produced about 13 offspring. And we used to keep the baby kinkajous in those little playpens, you know, and just put cardboard on top of them. And the founder's daughter, her name was Anne. She has this wonderful story of walking into the nursery, and the cardboard had just been moved over, and there were kinks just looking at her everywhere, and she just backed slowly out of the room.
Oh, wow.